All right, we're cutting across to breaking news that's coming in. These are images on your screens of the police entering a metro station in Kolkata after BJP workers who were protesting entered this metro station. This is a women's BJP protest and agitation in Salt Lake of Kolkata, and now police officials have entered into the metro station. Anirban is joining us live with more updates. Anirban, it's over to you.
Ma'am, do you have jurisdiction to enter metro station? स्टेशन में jurisdiction see, well, you can see there's a high drama image, the high drama visuals from Kolkata, Salt Lake, as we have seen that the Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate Police has entered the metro station inside the gate, inside the gate, and right now they have entered the place to detain the BJP women karyakartas as they are going to Women Commission office, the State Women Commission office. And right now we can see the high drama image. The police has entered the metro station, inside the metro station, just beside the of the Kolkata Metro, Salt Lake Metro. And here they have detained 2-3 protesters from inside the metro station of Karunamai, Salt Lake. We have already asked the officers that do you have jurisdiction to enter the metro station? But they have entered, and all the common people also entered with them. And this is the high drama image that is coming in from Kolkata. Shataki is showing you that 3-4 BJP women karyakartas has been detained by the police. They have been taken to police station as they were going to the State Women Commission office. And right now the police has already entered. And there you can see the media is asking. Well, the officer is not answering anything. The officer is not answering anything about it.
Can you please brief?
21 days after the Archikor incident has happened in Kolkata, we have seen many protests, we have seen political parties rallies, we have seen doctors protesting in Kolkata, and right now police is not answering anything. They have entered to detain 2-3 people, 2-3 BJP karyakartas. 2-3 karyakartas.
यहाँ पर अधिकारी आते तो आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं।
यहाँ देखिए पुलिस के अधिकारी जो अंदर गई थी, उनका कहना है कि हमें एक सूचना मिली थी कि अंदर कोई है।
Of BJP had detained from the Nico Park area of Salt Lake.
तो मैम आपका कोऑर्डिनेशन हुआ होगा रेलवे पुलिस के साथ भी। मैम अभी आप ड्यूटी पे है ना, तो मैंने उनसे कोऑर्डिनेट किया होगा।
Okay, live images on your screens there from a metro station, the Salt Lake metro station in Kolkata, where the police actually entered the station. Remember, the cops don't have jurisdiction in a metro station, and yet they went in, detained BJP women workers and these were workers who were attempting to make their way to the Women's Commission. They're refusing to speak to the media right now, but we are getting you reports from the ground showing you the chaos that played out as you had a group of police officers entering into the metro station and detaining several of these women protesters. Now, were they protesting in the metro station? Why were these women, detained from in the metro station is a big question. And also about the police jurisdiction to actually enter metro station and take people into custody. But you can see these images on your screen of the cops, many of them with helmets on, riot gear on, stormed into the metro station and have detained a handful of BJP workers, women workers from the metro station. They're now being taken to a nearby police station. There are questions being asked right now of why the cops resorted to this kind of activity in the metro station where they have no jurisdiction. But you see them entering there in all of their gear, going ahead and taking all these women into custody. Allegedly, these women protesters were trying to head to the State Women Council, and they attempted to do it via the metro station because on the roads they were being detained. They then went into the metro station, which is why the cops followed them in there and took most of them into custody as well. So drama playing out during the BJP protest that was scheduled to take place in Salt Lake, which was called off essentially because everyone who gathered was almost immediately detained. Permission wasn't granted for the same by the Kolkata police, who cited law and order, and now they're in the metro station detaining all of these BJP workers.